In this tutorial, I'll show you how to warp an image in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your browser and opening the design that contains the image you want to edit. If your image isn't there yet, upload it first and place it on the canvas. This is important because the warp tool only works after the image has been added to your design. Once your image is ready, look over to the left sidebar and click Apps. The Apps section is where Canva places extra editing tools and effects that aren't always visible in the main toolbar. In the search bar inside Apps, type Wrap. As you type, you should see the Wrap app appear in the results. If you don't see it right away, make sure you've spelled it correctly, because beginners sometimes type Warp instead of Wrap. Now click Wrap to open the tool. Canva may show a panel with the app options. In some versions, you may first see a preview or a button to start using the app. If that happens, just continue into the Wrap tool. At this point, you'll likely see different wrap settings or brush options. These controls let you distort parts of the image by dragging over them, which gives you more control than applying a one-click effect. Before using the brush, click your image on the canvas to make sure it's selected. This step matters because if no image is selected, Canva may not know which element you want to edit. After selecting the image, choose the Wrap option, or Wrap brush, inside the panel. You should now see the editing mode activate, and your cursor will behave like a brush over the image. Now gently drag across the part of the image you want to warp. Use small movements at first. This gives you better control and helps avoid over-distorting the image. As you drag, you should see the image bend or shift in the direction of your brush movement. If the effect looks too strong, slow down and work in shorter strokes. That's one of the most common mistakes beginners make. They drag too far too quickly and end up with a result that looks unnatural. It's usually better to build the effect gradually. You can continue adjusting until the image looks the way you want. If Canva shows additional controls, such as brush size or intensity, you can fine-tune those to make the warp broader or more precise. A smaller brush is better for detail areas, while a larger brush works well for bigger sections of the image. Once you're happy with the result, simply click away or finish the edit using the available Apply or Done option if Canva shows one. Your warped image should now remain in the design, ready for further edits or export. And that's how you warp an image in Canva. Thanks for watching.